Hello, my name is Patrick Jameson, and today we're going to install our WinGuard aluminum French door. In this video, we're going to unpackage the door and look at some of the tools that we're going to need for this install. Here is the aluminum French door. Prior to shipping, it will be pre-assembled. It is an XX active right configuration. Here are some of the tools that you're going to need for this install. Some of those tools are a 6-foot level, our rubber mallet, our 25-foot tape measure, our laser level, the sealant, glass cup, our different size screwdrivers, and our different cordless guns, both impact and standard. Now I'm going to unpackage the door. After unpackaging, remember to raise and remove your drip cap to remove the jam plug package. The next step is removing the shipping screws. These screws in the top and the bottom must be removed. They are preventing the slabs from opening. Now repeat the same process at the bottom. So to recap, we've now unpackaged our door, looked at some of the tools that we're going to need for this install, and removed the shipping screws. In the next video, we're going to install the door in our masonry opening.